The nationwide launch of COVID vaccine is scheduled on January 16, 2021. The state of Goa has received 23,500 doses of COVID vaccine under this program. Total 7 session sites in Goa will participate on the launch day, wherein 100 healthcare workers beneficiaries will be vaccinated at government hospitals, namely Goa Medical College Pambolim, North Goa District Hospital Mapsa, Hospicio Hospital Markau, Sub-District Hospital Ponda, Sub-District Hospital Chikalim, and in 2 private hospitals, namely Manipal Hospital, Donna Paula, and Healthway Hospital, Old Goa, as directed by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.